Mabuhay! So another chance to appreciate our walo hanggang dulo. This time ang focus natin is si A, si Sheena. Ayan, our main dancer. Yung core moments niya na may papanarin natin, again uploaded by Commotion. So kudos sa channel niya, lalagay natin sa description. If you also appreciate this type of content, pakitapik naman yung subscribe button para makapag-suggest kayo ng mga susunod natin papanoorin. So napanood na natin si Anger tsaka si Panda Maloy before. So check nyo sa channel kung gusto nyo makita yon. Pero this time si Sheena muna. Let's go! Sobrang galing talaga yun sa facial expressions. Chef Sheena.
Okay, we flip it. Oh my God!
Nakatawa yung kamay ng English siya. Pancake ba yan? Sad.
It's fine. You know, I like my hot dog.
Positive pa rin.
I like it when it's not fully burned. It's totally burned.
Sorry. Sorry, tostado. Gano'n ka black?
Oh my God. Black na lang.
Multitasking.
Ano? Naanto.
What the? Ano nangyari?
Don't talk ha when your mouth is full. I'm not joking. It's burned.
Tingin
Oh my
niya.
God, what is that?
Pwede pa yan.
Oh
Cute.
my God, what is that?
You know, just cooking my burnt hot dog.
Adorable.
Nagkakachate ko lang.
Hala, Anger.
Seconds earlier.
Sino magaling magluto sa Bini? Magaling?
Paisip. Sabi niya ba ako?
Wala man.
Hala.
Nag-graduate na ako college mo. Graduate ka na? Nag-graduate ka. Wala, naiyak ako. Naiyak ka. Mag-ika mo na eh. Thank you.
Yan pala galing yun. Ika muna, naiiyak no? Sobrang hype pa niya.
We are here with you and you are here with us.
Sabay-sabay.
Oh, meron na po ano din, Sheena's performance.
Hehe. Siya nakagawa ng sarili niyang shot.
Comment ko kay Sheena. Wala ba akong spectacular?
Mga fun din ang mga vlogs. B.
Paano ko nga ginawa yun?
May pag-caption guy. The Bieber hair.
Na-awkward.
Sean. Bad boy. Pogi.
May lagnat ka ba? Lasing.
Lasing.
Ano ba meron? Nagagawa lang po.
Gagawa na po.
Ayoko na din. Ay, nag-take over yung kuya ko.
Cool.
Sheena, para sa ating mga kamorkara, ano bang pwede mong i-advise sa mga pupunta this weekend? Diba?
Advice po sa mga magbe-beach?
Yes.
Yes. You should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned.
Tama.
Kasi I'm burned. And,
Tawa sila.
bring snacks. Kasi baka yung resort na pupuntahan mo, overpriced. If you wanna see under the sea, bring goggles. Yes, and magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon.
Very practical.
Okay.
Hindi kayo nagsisigawan sa siya.
Relatable.
Experience ba ito sila?
Mag-offer na mag-extend yung bill, would you extend?
Oh.
No!
No! Honest lang.
Very blue.
Ito last question din. Joke lang yun guys ha, baka
Joke
pala.
lang.
Globe sa gusto ko 50 years ng baby.
Ah?
Ganun ba? Dapat lang ako. Jungwon or Beanie? Jungwon! Jungwon all the way! How are you?
Grabe ka na.
Kabahan ka man lang. Kabahan ka.
Yung walang pinili.
Hala!
Yan pala dun galing. Galing yung facial expressions. Pwedeng actress.
News update. Walong magkakaibigang patay sa sunog sa Baguio City.
Oh?
Nagbibini road trip lang naman kami. Oh no, knock on wood.
Panood din natin yan sa Baguio. Check it out. Malaki. Oh. He's so hype.
Na ako din,
Okay.
Sir Blooms. Hindi na ako tatawa.
Huh?
Alam mo yun,
Nakakahawa. Seven. Wow. Grabe. Alas na utak niya.
Can you share it to us? No.
Yung shirt to us, no.
Wala pa kasi silang sagot daw kasi. Init!
Uy.
Init talaga.
For the reaction.
It's me. I'm a solo stan. Okay.
Solo stan.
I love me.
Congrats.
If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because lapit ni because it's Jungwon and Nikki.
Okay.
Because I want to be a cat. You can meow. If you're a
Simple
tiger,
lang.
you can roar. Roar? Roar? Tiger. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yung tiger? Tiger. Meow but bigger. Why do you... Bakit gusto mo mag-meow? I want to meow so that I can contribute to the world. Noise pollution.
Random.
When we can have a chicken smile, I can meow like the worms here in our house. The TV is big and things of
amounting and the gas solid is equal to y-axis. Figure na na-transpose siya into 1, tsaka dito sa interpreter, tinatawag ng
Sige, naupuso, eh.
You have to find an answer. Yeah, okay, very good. Okay, thank you.
Ayan, napanood natin yan. God.
Wala namatay. Sabihin ko pa lang na ano eh. Itagamo sa pagkamo. Eh di wag mo itaga. Ayaw niya pala eh. Eh di wag. Wag na. Tataga pa eh. Blooms? Blooms, hello? Blooms? Blooms?
Huh?
Blooms?
Ew.
Blooms, hello?
Wala ka, ay.
Excuse me, excuse me. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Sheena.
Can you take a photo of you?
Sure po.
Okay.
Panara din nila yung ano. Model on the street. Sleeping. Natulog siya. Ano si Mix?
Nakatulog ako.
Yung si Maloy napanood na natin. So yun, so great time watching core moments of Sheena. Ayan, so let me know in the comments kung may other compilation or content about Beanie papanoorin natin. And as usual, top comment, tatanan. Top subscriber, congratulations. Yung next suggestion mo paprioritize natin sa mga next batches ng reaction videos natin. So it's a great time witnessing the personalities of our walo hanggang dulo. #PPopRise.
Kita Kits!